Zeti ya The Nation aswa gotebanga ikiama gyo DM gyo kwamba kororekananga gatigati ya umwatikano nororo ikiama gitamanyikana tigo sekerese serikali kubwatira serikali asomo secretary general sokiri na kugikiria serikali ngichwera kwa nigorengani
Raila puppet or ODM lepo matoyo Edwin Sifuna ole secretary general ya ODM secretary general ya rogo saini kurwe binto kurwe makitapa keregendo lakini nkoira ni maega kego umuntu mato ukurageria sese ya ukagari egere koge butuko
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi.
Nomo basomu yanende umwanchumuliria bweteseni ya Ensoko TV bia mono asingencho ogendete koba umuligirio mwegenwa asebono ne nabeirange guchakoletera amaya kinse sana ibere umubasolero gendagaria semitandao yetu tubwatie ensemo ya YouTube, Facebook, Ensoko TV kwenyorera yaiga ile tariane nedi na mora. Toguchaka chiriboti chaitu kuruase rugongo rwetu rwa Gusii asomora ibwa basubati Donya Aburi kuruase kaunti ya Kisii aumeranire n'abanyakiombe asekenyorokia Bunyando ebunge ya Bonchari ewodi ya Bumaliba ase okubasegeta bangina kwagacha usegoso ase byombe eriyogo chamo na wekinia
Nechi base chichebyombe tugamba tebye kene kya mangana ofisi yo muumandire ebeseriere milioni 8 no tokorusie basari nerere kiombe nerokora gutoko abana chisanitary towel ichi ebintu bibyabo no tokorusie gesima twa beka ichi yani chire chinke bono mpake go video twara abasani egere beseye oikera abantu bamino ogusaberero uko kwabero kongera kini nche nimbata abasani naende kene kya Yeso no ndiro kugore ngombe ngotebole tugorigie yegeredi osorigie yeke Gusii kwamenya konyore ye grade fresh yan nere bwata mabera amange eke mane gosobori mu bono nche na amwa mbere ne serikali nguse bintu ndetera abantu ba minto kyagara ke mane nto takaite ndo abangina nto lietandire to chake ko kwanera iga okonyora ntoyo abana baito osenchire egere bono onye mwarenge kukabesa ni 40 bono lero mubeke chiri cheno 40 kando mukabesa ni chia ni 100 chateko babuya abangina monya kwerwanerera mwirwanerere mambi na mambi ende tutakuwa sawa
Osoyo tenenete kurwanirira ekirogo ky'obugambi bwense David Maraga omochire serikali asechibura buru ekyo kyakolekana asomo kyolimuro otebire serikali nerebwa tebyombe by'abasagani abo bagenderete gukora kisegi asemisangerekano nigaereire buna onyendirie serikali eligeti gusiri obusagani onango yakolire gose anango yakolire boigo kulinda sengencho na babo nakyo gekogera bagenderete gukora obusalia otebire kiroyomo nabwenerete kubwata lichiko lyekatiba na kulinda ense.
It is the government which is using goons, or rather those in government. If the government didn't want goons, it would stamp it out in a day. It has the capacity to stamp it out in a day. But the press reports that we have show clearly that it is the government which is or rather those in government, because of impunity, they know nobody can do anything to them, who are getting goons. You saw in a funeral, I saw last night, a funeral was it in Siaya or where? Yeah. Yeah. Goons who can't allow Honorable Rengo to even mourn his friend's mother. And you know what they were chanting. Nothing was done. The police, I saw the police there standing by, almost helpless. We can't have a country run like that. We have to go back to constitutionalism. We have got to go back and implement our constitution. We have to go back and be governed by our constitution. And that will start with me. As the president of this country, I will be the first one to obey the constitution. Those of you who have been keen, if you want to recall, you can even get the clips of the president when he's being sworn. The first thing he's doing is holding the constitution and swears that he will uphold and defend the constitution. I will do that. That will mean that I will have to obey the law, including court orders that our superior courts give when the government has no further, has exhausted the appeal process. Once we do that, we will deal with impunity decisively, and everybody will be under the law. Number one, where we are because of corruption in this country. Those in power want to amass as much as they can so that they are able to control anybody who they think should be controlled.
Abarai n'ababwatani b'ekyama kya ODM asokomerana kwabo imeyo mu Mombasa batebire mbale n'ekinguru kinene ase siasa kya Kenya na inde tibaliwo kya wancha komerwa gose watananwa. Omokonyi bumurai bw'ekyama ekyomuske Simba Arati otuguteirare chinkwananga nigo bakwewa chibesa ne serikali asatebire nga serikali nerere nesira yabo eyo baganetie eriyo koira ekyama kya ODM bubosio.
Wangwana wote ni watu wa biashara. Tuna uwezo, uzuri wao sio wachoyo. Mikutano yote ya Nairobi, hawa bwana wamekusanya pesa, tumefanya mikutano. Ya Mombasa tumefanya na tumekubaliana kwenda mbele. Mheshimiwa Abdulswamad amesema tutakusanya pesa ya kuhakikisha kwamba chama chetu kiko mstari wa mbele. Na nitasema kitu kimoja hapa. Madeni ambayo serikali nayo yetu kama chama tunauliza, tafadhalini ndugu zetu, tupe pesa yetu. Hakuna maongezi yoyote ambayo tutakuwa nayo. Hakuna maongezi. Viongozi waheshimiwa mko hapa. Ninyi ndio mnatengeneza bajeti. Sisi wanachama wa ODM, serikali iko na deni yetu. Na hiyo deni ndio tunahitaji tupewe. Mambo tuende mbele na chama chetu. Hakuna story nyingine. The minimum reducible item number 1. Mbadi yuko hapa? Pesa yetu kwanza ndio tuende mbele. Muko tayari? My brothers and sisters, mimi kama deputy party leader wenu na mwenzangu na party leader wetu tutahakikisha mazungumzo ambayo tutakuwa nao na ndugu zetu yatakuwa ni ya haki na hakuna kuweka kadi choka chini ya meza. Kila kadi lazima itakuwa juu ya meza. Kila kadi lazima ikuwe juu ya meza. Na sisi hatuwezi, mimi siwezi lala. I hope Abdulswamad hawezi lala. Na mzee baba Oburu tutashikilia yeye, tutatembea pamoja. Mama Wanga, hakuna kuangalia nyuma. You know, we normally say, don't look back, as something might be gaining on you. We will not look back.
Umugavana we kaunti ya Murang'a Kang'ata Irungu osabira omurai bwense kubeka omu kiase kisemi ekaira kisemi nakyo keregento imeyense ukwanekero gitaro y'omurai bwense William Ruto imeye skuru ya Njiri ebunge ya Kandara imeya Murang'a boigo osabira okoroisi wa wechipara ekyo kigoso ase kiskuru kya Murang'a asenchera yekerero.
Education is the key. It is through education that humans are able to send rockets to the moon. It is through education that we now communicate with our relatives 6,000 miles away through digital means. It is through education when people get sick, they are treated by experts who have been educated to become doctors. And therefore, as a country, we must put the best foot forward to educate Kenyans. We must do our best to have a more educated human capital so that Kenya becomes a very strong and progressive society. We are so proud that Njiri's High School is leading Murang'a in that charge of a better society. Your Excellency, this school in Murang'a has produced some of our best minds in this Republic of Kenya. We have no doubt that you guys who are now here, be proud to be part of a school that is going to create the next best thinkers to solve some of our current challenges. Congratulations to being this one of the best schools in this Republic. Murang'a County has various programs, Your Excellency, which are also geared to us pushing this county ahead. And definitely when you look at those ideas, they require a lot of intellectual capacity and well-educated workforce. That includes our effort to create what we are calling smart cities, automation of our services. Smart cities include, for instance, doing cabro and tarmac in our main urban centers, including Kangare and other places. Automation includes also the idea of digitizing our services and many other programs.
Abo omubunge Omurang'a Sabina Chege omwigerero omurai bwense asogoteba okorire mereme menene ase sekta y'ekisemi ase alikira abarimu abange kubwa murai onde bwensi obeira sekero gekyo otebire gati emyaka 3 omurai bwense ulikira abarimu kiribu emyeyemo na kubakinia ebirogo boigo na gutuma kibesa gukyase kiskuru ase kingaki kiwenerete.
2013-2017, I was the chair of education. Wale walimu waliajiriwa that time. Actually, for the period that Your Excellency, you are the deputy president, hawakufika, walikuwa 5,000 per year, so they never got to around 50,000 in 10 years. My good people, His Excellency the President, within 3 years, he has employed 100,000, and now we are counting more. Mwalimu wenyu amesema hapa, wazazi, you need more teachers. Si mnataka ajili wengine? So he's done a good job. If you look at the promotion, nimesikia mwalimu amesema mnaneno ya promotion, Your Excellency. It is good because I was the chair of health. Niseme ukweli. Ile promotion ilikuwa inafanywa kama mtu kamoja tuwili hivi. For now, in 3 years time, he has promoted more than 100,000 teachers. Mpigieni makofi. For the first time in history, we are having our students wakifungua shule na wanapata school capitation already iko kwenye shule. Mpigieni makofi. My request only to the schools. Ni hawa vile His Excellency majaribu sana. Na unajua saa zingine wazazi tunajaribu kidogo kidogo, mwanafunzi akifika shule kama hana pesa, msimfukuze aende nyumbani. Mumpatieni nafasi tu. At least so that the parents can be able wanajipanga na wanashikiliana na serikali.
Murai bwense William Ruto ukwana imeye skuru ya Njiri imeya Murang'a ulire iragucha kwa gache birasi 30 ase kibesa kya yero munyene na chilapu chi isanonemo omokire balia bagotebanga tarakora miremende yonsi ase sekta y'ekisemi ase boigo abatebiri baligererie amonchorerio ayakorira ase kiskuru ao imeyense ya Kenya.
Wale wanaongea maneno ya elimu let them check the facts. Yes, wasiongee tu, let them check the facts. Because numbers don't lie. And facts, uende juu, ushuke chini, uende kulia, uende kushoto, the facts remain the same. But I have made a decision from this year, tutakuwa tunatuma pesa mbeleni kabla watoto hawajafika shuleni. Ndio watoto wakifika shuleni wanakutana iko pesa ya kuendelea na mafundisho yao. We did that in term 1. We've done that in term 2. In fact, on 23rd of April, tulikuwa tumetuma pesa ya hawa watoto. 23 billion shillings across Kenya to make sure that our children are in school. So, and pesa ya third term tutafanya hivyo, so that we make sure that hawa vijana wetu wanapata nafasi ya kusomeshwa na kusoma vizuri, kwa sababu this is our present and our future. Hapa Njiri nimefika leo, najua mmekuwa mkijenga madarasa 2, 1 namna hiyo. Lakini nimesikiza huyu mwalimu Bwana Gadhi kwa makini, na nimeamua ya kwamba mimi mwenyewe, sio wizara, mimi mwenyewe nitawajengea madarasa 30. Na niongeze laboratories 6.
Mugavana we kaunti ya Murang'a Irungu Kang'ata werusire ase kiama kia UDA litukeri morioka magega yokumwarigania murai wense imeye kaunti ya Murang'a gukwana na bariki bamang'ana litukuria rero otebire buna ugutaiwana gisiasa na ari agendererete gukorekana ase misangiririkano ya siasa tari korokia ubugambi obuya bwekia mekio ya serikali boigo na sekeria goteba no gutumika chinguru we serikali asokobeke birengelio byabo asabara ibande.
However, as is natural in public life, there are moments when honest differences emerge. My divergence with His Excellency President Ruto is not personal. It is grounded on principle, specifically on matters political strategy, engagement with citizens, and policy priorities. I hold the firm belief that leadership must be anchored in persuasion, not pressure, in dialogue, not coercion. Politics, in my view, is about winning hearts through ideas, humility, and service, speaking to citizens respectively even when they disagree with us. It also requires extending civility and restraint towards our political competitors, for they too represent Kenyans. Recent developments in our political environment raise concern. Instances of confrontation and tension, whether involving leaders, places of worship, those in the opposition, create a perception that politics is drifting towards intolerance. Allow me to emphasize on this. UDA party, among the reasons it won in 2022 is because of how it was persecuted by Jubilee government. I'm surprised when I see UDA party repeating the same mistake of persecuting people who are then garnering major political sympathy, becoming most popular and popular and popular. It's as if we did not learn anything in the year 2022. An example, you have seen attacks in churches in Othaya. You have seen attacks in churches in Nairobi.
Waziri w'Obuchenu Aden Duale oiranereire eng'ana yo kwigurwa kurubebe rwense ya Kenya na Somalia asatebire ugusikwa kwaye ni gukurasa masakaroka kurende obonchoreria bwa magendo nigo bogendereta se orubeborwo ukwana imeya Garissa otebire nachigukwana no murai bwense iri igoro rubeborwo eriyo obonchoreria bogenderere asenchira ya Boronge.
the border between Kenya and Somalia is closed. And it is not closed. It is only closed in paper. A lot of movements and goods and goes between the border. The border could have created a better revenue for government. Government could have collected good revenue. The immigration could have vetted people. But we are saying the border is closed, but only in paper. So we have asked the president, and the president has promised he's going to help us open. We want the border to be opened. And I'll talk to the president and take that. I have told him that.
mwachumuriria nendo inoro mwerio wa maya chinsesana ibiro mu basorero asiboro nende ngutiga asamaboko ya umusani toldi asago cyakoretera umurubiri umanyekane pinga oya eri unyarakoba gukwegokia magega yo kwemanya retariane nide namura kabeno mu basomuya